This is how real people talk about movies, not your textbook.
Watch till the end, or keep sounding like a tourist.
Hi, Anna. Do you like movies?
Yes, very much.
Do you want to watch one today?
Sure, what's playing now?
A funny comedy and an action film.
I like comedies.
Great, me too.
What time does it start?
At 7 o'clock.
Do we have time for popcorn?
Yes, of course.
Popcorn is the best part.
Haha, true. Do you like sweet or salty?
Sweet popcorn? And you?
Salty. We can share both.
Good idea.
Do you like sitting in front or back?
In the middle.
Same here, best view.
Look, tickets are not expensive.
Perfect. Let's buy two.
Yes, and let's enjoy the movie.
Great. Movie night is fun.